Presenting a pre-owned 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQE. This four-door sedan has engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a great value with less than 38,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.